Hey, what's going on, beautiful bees? Hope you're all doing well. So as you can see, I was having so much fun in the sun, a little too much sun, and I got a little bit red. So if you have been in the sun too long, the heat of the sun can be acidic, so you want to get in the alkaline rich foods like your green juices, beet juice, carrot juice, most importantly the fruit. That's where the hydration is, even alkaline water, spring water. But the fruit is alkaline, same with those juices, as well as this aloe vera. So 100% aloe vera, I got off right off the plant, cut it open, took the gel out and blended it up and put this on my skin. If you have any skin issues like psoriasis, eczema, skin cancer, aloe vera is where it's at 100%. This is alkaline and very hydrating and healing. So any skin issues, I'm going to be doing this when I get home as well because it is so beneficial. And when you've been in that sun, you know, the heat, any type of burn, you really want to get in the hydration and the alkalinity. And that is like chemistry. You're going to neutralize some of these acids that have been building up from whatever you've been consuming. So I will be doing a Q&A. If you guys have any questions, even about the Dr. Moore's interview, leave them down below. I'm going to be doing a feature vid on your answers. And hope you guys are doing fabulous. I will be coming out with a lot more videos and tips and tricks. So as always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be having a fabulous day. We will see you guys very soon.